All right, Mrs. Hines here. We're going to solve, sorry about the laughing in the background. We're going to solve this equation with obviously variables x, y, and z in it for the variable z in terms of x and y. So first step would probably be to get the constant and the x term and the y term to the other side of the equation. So we're going to isolate this 3z term to start with. So I'd have to add the 6x, add the 14y, also add the 2, which would leave me with 3z is equal to, let's go alphabetical here, so 6x plus 14y plus 2. And then from there, to get z completely by itself, we would then have to divide by 3, and then over here, all of those terms would have to get divided by 3. We're going to want to try and keep everything over here exact, and also let's go with fraction form. So we would get z is equal to 6/3 would give us just a 2x, 14/3, can't do much with that, so let's just leave that 14/3 y. Same thing here, 2/3 can't be reduced, so 2/3. And that is an example of solving a 3-variable equation for one variable, in this case z, in terms of the other 2 variables. I guess the biggest mistake some students might make would be when they go to divide this side by the coefficient on z, that they don't divide all of the terms by that. So some students might come over here and say, well, that's 2, and then they might just say plus 14y plus 2. Make sure all 3 of these are being divided by that constant of 3. All right.